I got an idea. Mystic Demolition Man, that's a GCI. GC wanna know so bad, I can almost die. Mystic Demolition don't even have competition. Woo! Riding first place, man, that is my mission.
All these other woodies looking like they're in their 40s.
Height equals 109, probably make your kids wide.
Turn around in that tunnel, probably better than that funnel.
Ride the train, get a
It's the best coaster here. Yeah, I like it. Okay guys, we're at Kentucky Kingdom and Hurricane Bay. This is his first time. I don't think he's an enthusiast. He is. That is Cincy Bros. He works at Racer.
You already know
Austin,
who I am.
And that's Brandon, Coasters Worldwide. We're going to Lightning Rod. And what's your channel?
I'm Shane from Sports Comedy Gamers.
Alright, go check him out as well. I'll try to find his link and put it in the description as well. But yeah, we're going to Lightning Run. Your first Shilky designed ride.
Coaster Media, Coasters Worldwide. What the? Oh, sorry. What the, like, double vlog? Or?
Yeah, double vlog. Alright guys, we're at Garbage. I mean T3. I think it's closed right now, but we're gonna check on it. It'll hopefully open later. We'll see. But there it is. T3. Turn line for T3. There's like 5 trains with the people to wait for, but oh well. Pecaro. You excited?
Sort of, yeah.
Sort of? Oh look, I got stuck in the back row again. It sucked last time, but it's better than in Vertigo.
Boy, no it's not. No it's not.
You haven't ridden it yet. You might like it. Watch it be in your top 10. I'm joking. No, definitely not.
No, it's not. It's
Definitely not.
It's not gonna be your.
Oh yeah, Storm Chaser's not number 3.
Storm Chaser. Yes. How many coasters have you ridden? I'll get my count.
87. Say ow, Brandon? Ow? You didn't like it?
Brandon,
What'd you think, Brandon? Thumbs down. Give me a cross. Give me a cross. Give me a cross. Give me a down bar. Jerk. Alright guys, we are getting in line for my first ride on Thunder Run since last year. Hopefully it's still running smooth and fun. We're going with Austin over there, he's filming. We're going with this guy, so that's their first time on this. Watch out, guys. Chill. right, guys, we're about to ride Austin's first RMC, Storm Chaser. It's like, it was your first RMC, yeah. And it was my third one out of 4. And, we're hopping on it.
You guys excited?
Quadruple vlog. Oh yeah. Always. Definitely. Here we go. I think it's going there. There it goes. This coaster's amazing. Woo! It's flying today.
Yeah.
That's an empty train too. We're gonna have to run after it goes to the trick track. Thanks, Brandon. What are you doing? We're hiding from the rain under a tree.
Yeah. We already got soaked once today.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. It's almost done. We're just waiting. Alright guys, so just a note to you. If you're at Kentucky Kingdom and it rains at all the rides will go to 9, which means they're closed. Including the Dippin' Dots stands. I know, right? I wanted Dippin' Dots and I'm like, can I buy Dippin' Dots? She's like, no, it's raining. I'm like, okay, bye.
Like, what does that do with anything?
She's like covering her register. I'm like, you're under a roof. The rain's not even coming down sideways. Whatever, we're gonna go do whatever it's called, Storm Chaser. So, speaking of vlogging.
What's up, vlog inside a vlog?
Yeah, we just got off Storm Chaser. It's not running as like fast as it normally is, but it's like really good. It's park's barely been open for an hour.
Yeah,
2 hours. Austin, what'd you think?
How was your first RMC? It was amazing.
First RMC, boy.
Definitely good. I love it.
Did you like it?
That was amazing.
All right, we're going again.
That
That's
was.
not even
We can ride this all day.
full potential yet. And that was
It'll go faster. It'll start bruising your thighs really soon.
oh yeah, I will.
And a
We're
few-
riding again.
Yeah, let's ride until our thighs bruise.
All right. Riding through our
And then we'll do T3.
No.
Okay guys, so we're gonna walk over to Lightning Run and see if we can get on that real quick, but we need to head back to Kings Island. We bought our shirts and stuff already while we were waiting.
I didn't buy anything.
Oh, you browsed.
I didn't buy anything either.
But me and Austin did because we're cool.
Hey, I'll probably buy
Wait, I bought the sugar stick.
Yeah.
Powdered sugar.
Well, I probably want to get one of those like Easter Diamondback Beach shirts.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as this opens up, which I hopefully will, we'll ride.
Hey, there's people inside the station.
Yeah, but they don't kick them out usually. Yeah. You wanna be in the video or no? All right. Brandon.
It's the tallest roller coaster.
Lightning Run is open. No, they're all the same height. This one and Storm Chaser are the exact same height. These are both right at 100 feet pretty much.
But the hill looks bigger.
It does, probably because it drops straight down the drop. Rather than Storm Chaser does a turnaround. Well, it's open, so get excited, Austin. Woo! Woo! No. Okay, guys, we weren't not able to get on Lightning Run. We hit our time limit here. So it is time to park hop over to Kings Island. Brandon just hopped over a puddle, all right, as I said that. So good timing. That's funny.
What?
All right, guys, we are at Kings Island. This is your first park hop. Congratulations. Brandon's taking a 12 right now. If you don't know that, you don't need to know. We're gonna be in Skyline, so yeah, we're gonna meet up with some people in a second. But yeah. Okay, guys. So Beast is 2-9 because we have rides night tonight, and they closed the queue early, like they did last night as well when I was there. Ah! Okay.
Like we have.
And we just did a second to last train on backlot with Nelly and her friend. Yeah, they're pretty lit.
And this is Lucas.
This is Lucas. And go follow Nelly on Instagram, Nelly Racer. Yes. And then there's Brandon and Austin over there doing whatever. Their thing. But thank you guys for joining us at Kentucky Kingdom and like one ride at Kings Island. Have a good night and stuff. Right on.
Mystic Timbers, yeah, back to GCI. But you really don't need to cry. I ain't really a bad guy. You just ate a little too much pie. I'm sorry I couldn't identify you. Didn't look like you had good in you. I could even see it in your eyes. No need to cry.